Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Nahir if you're new here. This is going to be a what I eat in a day. So every day I usually like to start my morning off with a big mug of tea. I've really been loving this Tazo tea. It's their glazed lemon loaf. And the night before I made overnight oats. Usually what I put in my oats is whatever fruit I have on hand. So like a half cup of oats, some soy milk. I think I put cinnamon in this one that I made for this morning, some blackberries and some chia seeds, and it usually keeps me full up until lunchtime. I think the worst thing is when you're in class and your stomach is grumbling and you have like 3 more hours to go, and it really sucks. But yeah, so this is how I started off my morning this particular day. I've been trying to make it a habit to eat breakfast every single morning, even if it's something small, just because I feel like I focus better in class when I don't go to class on an empty stomach. And yeah, I just think it's better for you. Brain food, you know? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so gotta make use of it, I guess. Yeah, this is just me eating it. All right, so this is my lunch. I had a really bomb lunch, if I do say so myself. I had garlic toast that was actually vegan, which I thought was really cool. I made a salad with corn, cranberries, carrots, lentils, and kale, and there was also some basmati rice and tofu that they had. That was honestly pretty dang bomb. I don't think I finished this whole thing because it was a lot of food, um, and I ate the other half of it the next day or so, but it was pretty good, not gonna lie. 10 out of 10 would get it again. Our cafeteria has been really good with vegan options, so that's been really cool. And I just got a to-go box and I took it to my dorm and I was watching some YouTube videos, and I also picked up a banana, but I didn't eat the banana that day. I saved it for breakfast the next day. And that was my lunch. Oh, and with some balsamic vinaigrette that our cafeteria has. That's pretty bomb too. And then for dinner, I kind of was already in the middle of eating it, but I had some split peas, some more basmati rice with sriracha, some Brussels sprouts and carrots, and then some tofu as well. I also got a little second plate of guac and some pita slices that I didn't film, but this was my lunch. It was a little bit bland, or dinner, should I say. It was a little bit bland, so I had to put salt and pepper on it, but it was alright. It was pretty good. And then later that night I was studying and I had a little like strawberry Mexican candy and I was watching Fairly Odd Parents. Yep. Alright. That was it. That's what I ate in a day. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed down below. And if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video, which is every Monday and Friday, make sure to hit the bell notification bell. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.